Right, so just decided to try and get a Mackie D's, go through drive-through on a bike, see if they're bikeist, see if they'll let us do it, see what happens. Right, try it. Don't know what I want. Order here. That's what it says. Order here. Extra value. Extra value meals. Turn the engine off. Turn the engine off. Just wait. You'll get a chicken mayo. Boop. Hello? Anyone? Hello? They're not answering me. Just have to wait. Our menu. Chicken Legend. You don't like me. Hello? McDonald's people. I don't think they like bikes in McDonald's. Rubbish. Well, it's official. So then, to the world of YouTube, to the world of everyone on there, it's official. McDonald's will not serve you if you're on a bike. They will not serve you. Not even slightly. They don't even answer. They don't even look at you. They don't even want to know. Don't want to know. Bloody bikeist. Bikeist bastards. Set of them. Set of cunts. Oh, they'll serve you in a Range Rover. They're serving Uncle Range Rover. Serving perverts but not bikers. Unbelievable. F*** you, McDonald's. F*** you.